Hi everyone! When we say pancake, it's like a love language that everyone speaks. So Saturday is always a pancake day for my kids. Today, let me share with you how to make a quick and simple pancake made from scratch. So let's dive right into the procedure and ingredients. So prepare a mixing bowl and add 2 whole eggs. Add in 1 cup fresh milk, 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of white sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or canola oil. Then whisk our liquid ingredients for 1 minute. We will also need to prepare a sieve, and we will sift 1½ cups of self-raising flour. And then we will mix all the ingredients together until smooth and well combined. We will need to prepare our pan. Set the pan on lowest heat and then use 1/3 cup to measure the pancake batter. There you go! It's a piece of cake. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So you can also dust it with icing sugar on top. But this one is optional. You don't have to do this. And then add butter. And you can also add your favorite fruits on the side like strawberries, raspberries, mulberries, and blueberries. And you can also have sliced bananas if you want. Sometimes I do that as well. And drizzle it with your favorite maple syrup. Do you have a waffle maker? Make some waffles too using this pancake batter. There you go. Hope you had fun watching this video and thank you for watching.